The Parrots and the Flower Story. There lived two parrots in a beautiful garden. They lived on a tree. They loved to fly around the garden. When they were tired, they sat on the grass and ate worms, fruits, and leaves. We love to eat these leaves. A little yellow flower heard the parrots. She was very scared. Oh no, I hope these two parrots don't find worms here. They will sit on me and tear my petals with their beak. Help! The parrots heard the scared flower. They went to talk to her. Hello, little flower. We did not know that our beaks tear the flowers. We will never sit on any little flower again. We are sorry. The little flower was happy now. She rubbed her eyes and smiled. Will you be our friend, dear flower? Sure, said the flower. I would love to be your friend. Every morning, the parrots flew outside in the garden. In the evening, they came back and told the flower everything they saw outside. One night, it rained heavily. The wind and the rain broke down many trees. The little flower was also very hurt. It did not talk to the parrots anymore. The parrots were sad to lose their friend. After a few days, the sun shone brightly again. The parrots sat on the grass. They were eating leaves. Just then, a little blue flower peeped at them. It smiled and waved the parrots. Hello! Hey, who are you? Will you be our friend? Sure, said the blue flower. The parrots made a new friend again. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe.